Okay, guys. So I know I did a video yesterday, well, stream yesterday, should I say, of what was in, and I know it was very, very laggy, etc. So forth. Oh, alien. I'll come on, make a video and show you guys exactly what's in so far. There is quite a lot of work still to be done, but I mean, I think in a day I've got quite a lot in that, and everything that's in at the moment and I'm showcasing is working, other than the additional jobs that I've added, simply because I haven't set them up yet. You'll notice on the top left and the top, I've now got the cops on me in the top right. That will be disabled obviously for when it's live. Right, so you'll notice here that obviously on the left, bottom left above the mini map, you'll see the fuel gauge now that I'm in a vehicle, so that's working. And you'll also see obviously above that where we are on the map, so it tells you exactly where we are on the map. And to the right of the mini map, it will show you what job you've got. So this is where we're up to so far with the map wise. So we got the airports, locations, ammunition, 2 ammunitions, because obviously you can't get enough ammunition. I'll get rid of 1. The ATMs, the banks again, I'll get rid of 1. Right, brick sellers, got the car washes in. So all these work. So you can go mine the coal, process the coal and sell the coal, go to the coke field, get some coke, etc. Process it and then sell it. On fire station locations, you can go to the fishing area and fish, and then sell your fish. Gas stations, obviously, where the jails are, that's obviously from a cop perspective, that's where you'll be able to put people into jail. Job office, okay, so this is where you go to select your job. So everyone will start off like this. Once you get in game, I'll set up the perms, etc. for cop. Let me just check if that's something saved actually. Oh god, can't type. Okay, cool. So I'll see where it's got system level 0. I need everyone that's going to be a cop, that wants to be a cop, that is already a cop, that applied obviously on the LS network, will get perm 11, which means that you can be a cop. EMS is perm 10, so you'll be able to be an EMS. I do need to get a revive script in here actually, just to point a note to myself there, because right now you die, you just respawn instantly, as you would in real in GTA. So you get yourself to the job location. Pretty simple stuff. Press E, pick the job that you want. Civilians obviously default. You can be a mechanic. If you be a police officer and you're not eligible to be a police officer, it won't let you switch obviously to the police officer. You can be a mechanic, but for some reason none of these scripts are working at the moment. I think it's because I just fuck with the tried to add some jobs and obviously added the code wrong. So that's where you'd select jobs, and then the bottom left, job civilian, etc. will change to whatever job you've got. Okay, so I've also got in LS Customs somewhere. Yeah, LS Customs is in. Ammunition's in, and I'm working. So where's the nearest ammunition? Shop locations are working as well. I haven't added robbable shops or robbable banks yet, and I'm not sure if I will. That's for you guys to really discuss, simply because there's that many things to do now, like with the coal processing, the coke, oil processing, stoning, going processing stone, tomato collection, and weed and wood cutting. There's a lot of shit in now, you know what I mean? So it takes the aspect away from the issue that we have with LS Network. There was pretty much fuck all for civilians to do, so that was causing like basically bank robberies and shop robberies 24/7. So if we don't need them in, then brilliant. If civilians have got enough shit on to do, it also means with the spread of the map, with everything being everywhere, like literally everywhere all over the map, means the entire map will be utilised, and it's not just going to be like the city, for instance, collecting weeds all the way up there. So it literally is all over the place. So you can literally and think that is, yeah, that's where you'd process your coke and process your coal. So as you can see, it literally is pretty much all over the map. Up there, for instance, very north is the cocaine field, so you would have to go to Paleto for cocaine, you'd have to go near Paleto to just get weed, etc, etc. So it's designed so it's everywhere, here, there and everywhere, so you won't just see people huddled up around PD anymore. Well, that's the idea anyway. So pretty simple stuff. Select your weapon. Let's go for a micro SMG and a sawn off. Close that off. Obviously you can see at the top it's taking the money from me. Got the SMG. Right now they don't require any ammo at all, so they're just like literally, it's unlimited ammo. Not sure whether I'll keep that in as a feature, because you lose these weapons anyway, as far as I'm aware, when you die, etc. So having unlimited ammo for a short period of time wouldn't really be that much of an issue in my eyes. There's something else that I wanted to show you guys as well. For the life of me, I can't remember what it is. Yeah, so let's get to there we go, ATM in the bank. So the database is set up, as you see, and then I literally I've loaded the server up, gone out and come back in just to see when I did this command to see the super admin. I was seeing if the database was actually working properly, and as you can see it is, because it saved the fact that I was a super admin. So now I should be able to, fingers crossed, deposit £5,000 or dollars, sorry, into my bank. Yeah, oh fuck, yeah, it did work. For a split second there, I thought it wasn't working. Okay, so brilliant. So the database has worked. Database is working. No idea why. Let's just test that one more time. Actually, let's just go quit this game and rejoin and see if, what was it, 4,100, 5,000. So let's see if that stays the same after disconnecting and reconnecting. Okay, 127.0.0.1. I'm gonna not talk over the music because it's just that loud. Okay, so there's a bug. Glad I tested that out. So it doubled me money from relogging. Oh, and as you can see as well, I haven't set up the spawn point, so just ignore this for now. This is all obviously a work in progress, but it's simply what's been added so far. So the database is working as in it's storing, but for some bizarre reason it's fucking doubling the money. Let me just die and see if that affects it at all. Okay, no effect whatsoever. It seems to just be doubling the money. I'm not sure if that was a one-off or whether it's a constant thing. I'll have to check the database and see exactly why that happened. But yeah, so this was just a very simple showcase on what is in at present. And as you can see from the map, it's fucking full to the brim. And as you can see, now that I'm recording and not streaming, you can see that there's hardly any, considering the fact that I'm recording my computer, I'm playing FiveM and I'm hosting the server, you can see it's not fucking laggy at all, like, in comparison, especially when it's on the server and I'm not hosting it myself when I'm testing. Like, should be no lag at all. And whether it be using all the newest scripts, etc., like, there's a lot of stuff in here that I can't use. For instance, the database I'm using is called CouchDB. A lot of the scripts aren't set up for that yet, but they are all moving to that. So it's the newest database system that all the scripts are moving to. It's the same with switching from the CFX server to the FX server itself. CFG server, sorry. So everything's moving over. So for instance, things like garages can't be used yet because that uses a different type of database, not a CouchDB database. If anyone knows how to code and switch the databases so it knows how to read from mine, outstanding. That's what I'm currently looking at doing, because I want to get things like checking the car registrations and coming back, etc. You do have sorry, one thing here. Right, last vehicle used locked right on your keyboard is lock and unlock your vehicle. So you don't have to open up a menu to lock your car and unlock your car. You can just simply press right and it locks or unlocks your last car. That's the last car that you were in, by the way. So if you jumped into another car, it doesn't really work that way. But and if you press M, it comes up with your show ID. So you press right. Oh, sorry. Okay, that was working before. I'm not sure why it's not now, but the show ID will just show your ID to everyone around. And right click, press right on the inventory, opens up your inventory. The inventory again does save as well to the database. I've been testing it with the cocaine, yada yada. Gotta love a bit of cocaine. So yeah, so I think in less than 24 hours work, including sleeping, I think we got quite a lot. Let me know what you guys think. If you think that I've completely missed something, or if you want something to be added. Obviously I'll be making sure that everything that's in at the moment is working before I add anything else, but by all means request what you want to be added that isn't already here. Yeah, alright guys, speak soon.